Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit with your spouse in Canada. First, determine your eligibility as the principal applicant. You will generally need a valid job offer and, for many roles, a positive labor market impact assessment, or LMIA. Your employer must also submit an offer of employment through the employer portal. This initial step is crucial for your application to proceed smoothly. Your spouse may be eligible for an open work permit, allowing them to work for almost any employer in Canada. This is typically possible if you, the principal applicant, hold a work permit for a skilled occupation. Specifically, your job needs to be classified under National Occupational Classification Skill Type 0, A, or B. Additionally, your work permit must be valid for at least 6 months. Now, let's walk through the application process. Begin by gathering all required documents for both you and your spouse. Next, carefully complete the specific application forms for each person. Remember to pay all necessary processing fees, which typically include a work permit fee and an open work permit holder fee. Finally, submit both applications online through the official government portal. For documents, ensure you have your valid passport, marriage certificate, and any relevant educational credentials. You might also need to provide proof of funds and undergo a medical examination. After submission, be prepared for potential requests for biometrics, which involves fingerprints and a photo and possibly an interview. Always monitor your application status through your online account for updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.